Under the sea, what do we see? Fish and shells and a wiggly eel. Wiggle and waddle, splash and spin. Let the undersea fun begin. Can you swim like a whale? Whoa, splash. Ride like a turtle, nice and slow. Wave like a squid, whoosh and whoa. Let's all go with the ocean flow. Starfish sparkle in coral beds. Clownfish giggle and bob their heads. The ocean sings a bubbly tune with bubbles rising to the moon.